So hello and welcome back to Tanishka Mangla YouTube channel. So today I'm going to explain the code of this project from White Hat Junior called Palindroma, and it is a project from ADV class 28. So now let us begin with the designing section. So on Thunkable we are going to make this project, and first we go to design section. So over here I have a screen, and the screen names is word palindromes. Then inside the screen I have a column, and inside the column there's a label, and its text is word palindromes, and the text color is purple. The next component is a column, and its label is and its ID is column 2, and it has a text input box inside it. And the hint of the text input box is enter your text here. Then I have a column 3, and inside the column 3 I have a label. The label's ID is results, and it is a blank label. Then in the last column, which is column 4, I have a button, and the button's text is check. So now, a palindrome is a word which, when you read it from right to left, the word remains the same, and when you read it from left to right, the word is still same. Like for example, a word is Anna. So Anna. So the spelling of Anna is A-double-N-A if you read it from left to right, and if you read it from right to left, the spelling is also A-double-N-A. So the word Anna is a palindrome. Another example is race car. Okay, so now let's begin with the coding. Okay, so my first block is initialize app variable reversed to blank. You can also put a 0 over here by going to the math section. Then it is when button 1 is clicked, means that when that check button is clicked, set app reverse to blank. The value of app reverse is going to be still 0. Then it is count with I from length from text input 1 get text to 1 by 1. So it is saying that from variable I you have to count, and from the length of text input 1 you have to get the text to 1 by 1. Then it is set app reversed to join app reversed in text from text input 1 get text get letter hashtag I. So I is a variable only. The next code is if from text input 1 get text is equal to app reversed, do from results set text to join from text input 1 get text is a palindrome. The next block is if from text input 1 is not equal to app reversed, do from results set text to join from text input 1 get text is not a palindrome. So now let's go back to design section, and over here we are going to live test it. I can click on live test or preview. So I'm going to click on live test and wait for my screen to come. Okay, so here's my screen. So over here it is word palindromes our label. Then inside the text input 1, it is enter your text here. So for my text, for example, I'm going to put RACE race, CAR race car. So as you can see, it is a palindrome as RACE race car, CAR car, and if I read it from right to left, RACE CAR. So it is a palindrome, and now I click on check, and it says race car is a palindrome. Now for example, if I put Maharaja over here, M-A-H-A, R-A-J-A, Maharaja. And then click on check. So it is going to say Maharaja is not a palindrome. So now one thing over here is going to be happening. Like for example, if you put M over here and then put A-H-A-R-A-J-A, Maharaja. So because A is in the small letter, if I click on it, so Maharaja is not a palindrome. But over here, if I would put it as if in a palindrome, like A-N-N-A, Anna. So it is a palindrome. But if I click on check, so it is going to be Anna is not a palindrome. Now it is happening because the first letter and the last letter are not the same. Now if I, for example, make my last A as capital and then I click on check, then it will say Anna is a palindrome. So this was the code of this project from White Hat Junior called Palindroma. And until I make a new video, bye bye and keep coding.